Hello students, we are still on Venn diagram and problem solving. Let's just look at this example. 50 students were asked what they did last night. 16 said they read a book. 41 said they watched television. If 7 said they did neither, how many did both? So first of all, let's try to bring out the information in this question. Now, 50 students were asked what they did last night. It means the total number of students in the universal set, they are 50. So the total number of students in the universal set, we are having 50. 16 said they read a book. So I'm going to use B to represent those that read their book. How many are they? We are having 16. 41 said they watched television. I'll use T to represent those that watch television. They are what? 41. If 7 said they did neither, that means they are not in the two set. That is same thing as saying B union T complement. So they are not in set B and set T. So how many? Those that didn't do any of it, we having 7. How many did both? We are now told to look for those that watch television and read their book. So we don't know them. We don't know the number of students. So we are using X to represent those that watch television and read their book. So we will now try to draw a Venn diagram for them. So this first circle representing those that read their book, and this one represent those that watch television. And we said that we should use X to represent those that watch their book, read their book, and watch television. So that be intersection T. So you are going to use X to represent them where the two circles intersect. Now, we were told that those that read their book, they are 16. So out of those that read their book, which are 16, some of them also watch television. But to know those that read their book only, so those that read their book only, same thing as saying those that read their book intersection T complement, B intersection T complement, same thing as B only. So those that only read their book are 16 minus 8 minus X rather. So that is 16 minus X. Read their book only. Then those that watch television only. So we will also remove those that read their book out of it. So they should be what? 41 minus X. That is for those that watched television only. So that 41 minus X. So 16 minus X read their book only. No, X watched television and read their book. 41 minus X represent those that only watch television. And this 7 outside shows those that didn't do any of it. B union T complement. So we want to know how many students watch television and read their book. We know we've used X to represent it. Normally, if you add everything in the universal set, you give you total number of elements in the set, which is 50. If you add 16 minus X plus X, those that watch television and read their book, those that only watch television, 41 minus X plus 7 should be equal to 50. So that means you now have what? Those that watch television only plus those that watch television and read their book plus those that watch television only plus those that didn't do any of it should add up to 50. 16 minus X only read their book plus X watch television and read their book. Then 41 minus X only watch television and 7 did not do any of it is equal to 50. Open the bracket here. That's 16 minus x plus 41. Plus times minus give us minus x plus 7 is equal to 15. If we rearrange them, 16 plus 41 plus 7 minus x plus x minus x is equal to 50. 16 plus 41 plus 7 will give you 64. Minus x plus x is 0 minus x is equal to 50. If I bring this 64 to this side, it will now be what? X minus 64. 50 minus 64 rather. So 50 minus 64 will give us what? Minus x is equal to minus 14. To get positive x, divide both sides by minus 1. Minus cancel my remaining what? X minus cancel my, that means what? 14 students. So it means 14 students read their book and watched television. For the work practice, in a restaurant, there are 50 people, 20 of whom are eating yam, while 21 are eating beans. If 15 are not eating any of the two kinds of food, how many students eat both yam and beans? Number 2. In a class of 160 students, 100 passed geography, 80 passed chemistry. What is the number of students that passed both geography and chemistry if each student passed at least one subject? Number 3. In a village, all the people speak Hausa or English or both. If 97% speak Hausa and 64% speak English, what percentage speak both languages? Number 4. Out of the 400 students in a final year in a senior secondary school, 300 are offering biology and 190 are offering chemistry. 1. How many students are offering biology and chemistry if only 70 students are offering neither biology nor chemistry? 2. How many students are offering at least one of biology or chemistry? Number 5. In a class of 80 students, every student had to study economics or geography or both economics and geography. If 65 students studied economics and 50 students studied geography, how many students studied both subjects? Please ensure you like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you.